In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to Slack and use the internet to find and share them in your conversations. Adding GIFs in Slack is a simple way to make messages more expressive, celebrate wins, or react quickly without typing a long reply. Whether you're working from the desktop app, a web browser, or the mobile app, the process is very similar and easy to follow once you know where to look. To get started, open Slack and go to the exact place where you want to post the GIF. This could be a public channel, a private channel, or a direct message. Once you're there, click into the message field so Slack knows that's where you want to add your content. Next, use Slack's built-in media tools. On the right side of the message composer, click the smiley face icon, which opens the emoji and media panel. When that panel appears, look for the GIF tab and select it. This gives you access to a searchable library of animated images. In the search box, type a word or phrase that matches the reaction or feeling you want to share, such as applause, confused, or working hard. Scroll through the available options, and when you find one you like, click it. Slack will place it into your message area, ready to send. Another option is to paste in a GIF link from the internet. If you find a GIF on a site like Giphy, Tenor, or Imgur, copy the direct image address or the link from your browser. Then go back to Slack and paste that link into the message field. In many cases, Slack will automatically generate a preview so you can see the animation before sending it. This is especially useful if you already know the exact GIF you want. If your workspace has the Giphy integration enabled, you can also use the /command shortcut. In the message field, type /Giphy, followed by a short description of the kind of GIF you want, then press enter. Slack will generate a private preview card that only you can see at first. This lets you review the result before anyone else does. If the suggested GIF isn't quite right, click shuffle to load another option. If you change your mind entirely, click cancel and nothing will be posted. Once you're happy with the GIF, send it. If you use the /command preview, click send on the preview card. If you used the built-in GIF picker or pasted a link, just press enter. Your GIF will appear in the conversation and be shared with the channel or person you selected. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.